Can't download files in Telegram on your iPhone? Photos, videos, or documents missing? I'll show you a quick fix. Let's go. Solution 1. Check Telegram settings. Open Telegram on your device. Then tap Settings at the bottom right. Next, tap Data and Storage and tap Reset Auto Download Settings if glitched. Now enable automatic media download for photos, videos, and files under Wi-Fi and cellular. Solution 2. Clear Telegram cache. If you still face this issue, then it perhaps caused corrupted caches. Open Telegram on your device and go to Settings at the bottom right. Then tap on Data and Storage. Now tap on Storage Usage and tap Clear Entire Cache. After that, confirm it, then check again if it works. Your iPhone should now send photos and videos on Telegram smoothly. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.